This video show how to configure door sensor with control unit. Open the door sensor. Insert the battery in door sensor. Open the setup. Type password. Go to Edit Zone. Open Edit RF Detector. First 5 number are pre-reserved, choose serial number and add device. When we apart magnetic strip of sensor, a code will generate. Repeat the same thing. And reconfirm the code. In the D9 has 10 zones. Select your zone and save the setting. System configuration is now completed. Let us test the system. At the same time, main unit will give notification by SMS and call.
Come on! Give you family a 24/7 protection with D3D Security Systems. For free advice or quotation, please contact our sales team or visit d3dsecurity.com.